Hands on your head.
We'll come instead.
What's coming our way? Why do birds fly south every winter? Why do birds fly south every winter? What do you think? Shh. Yeah, what do you think?
So they don't freeze and explode.
They don't freeze and explode? Not quite. Yeah.
For immigration. Migration.
For migration? No. No. We're all thinking yes. What do you think? Because it's so cold in the north? No, it's not that.
Migration.
Yeah, what do you think?
So they could go to Mexico.
So they can go to Mexico and have fun? No. What do you think?
So they can get away from the North Pole.
They can get away from North Pole? No.
All the answers are logical.
Shh. What do you think?
So they can escape Santa or something like that?
No.
Logical.
What? Yeah! I'm not using my logic.
Yeah, what do you
I'm
think?
just being dumb.
Yeah. Turn off your brain first.
Yeah.
Yes, you.
To be warm.
To be warm?
Yeah.
That's a good one, but it's not the answer. Yeah.
Because they're Mexican?
They're Mexican? No. No. Yeah.
So they can watch the movie Migration.
So they can watch movie Migration? No. It is very logical. The hint is very logical.
It's very slow.
Why do birds fly south every winter? Think about it. Yeah.
Because they want to meet Santa.
Because what?
They don't want to meet Santa.
They don't want to meet Santa? No.
Guys, who is the closest?
Nobody was closest, but it's just the logical answer. Yeah.
It's warmer.
Because it's warmer in south? No. Yeah.
Because they want to migrate.
Because they wanted to migrate during winters? No.
Oh man.
Yeah. Yeah.
So they can get a vacation.
So they can get a vacation? No.
Why do birds fly south?
Why do birds fly south every winter? Yeah. No.
Oh, South Pole? Yeah. They're flying away from.
Use your brain, everybody.
No, I won't use my brain.
You have to use your brain. We have not used our brain since morning. We did nothing, so use your brain.
It has to be a very logical answer.
Let's sharpen our brains.
Turning.
Time is ticking. We're thinking about the question.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Because birds want to fly.
because birds wants to fly. No.
Already fly.
Yeah,
So they get exercise.
so they can get exercise. No. Yeah.
So they can get burrito.
So they can get burrito. No. Shh.
So they can eat Doritos.
No. It's not about eating.
Oh, the birds are Big Macs, but we eat the birds. Birds are Big Macs.
Why do birds fly south every winter?
Why?
Because it's too far to walk.
Oh my god!
That was a logical answer I was looking for.